I'm adding 1 egg into 16 ounces of ricotta cheese. We'll just give this a nice little stir, mixing the egg all the way in with that delicious ricotta. Oh, one of my favorites, you guys. Today we are whipping together an easy dinner. You are going to love this. Okay, so all of our egg is now mixed in with our ricotta. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna set that to the side. We're gonna bring in our baking dish. Here I have some crescent dough that I'm gonna unroll here right onto my baking dish. And if your crescent dough has any seams in it, you guys, you can just go ahead and seal those up. No big deal. When that dough rises, that's all gonna connect together. And of course, you can press it out into the shape of your pan, moving right along. Okay, grab yourself your favorite sauce. I have some Rouse marinara. I don't know, choose what you like. It doesn't really matter, but I really love this stuff, so this is what I'm going with here. You wanna use about half of it right down on there, and then you can just spread that all evenly over the top, all right? See how easy this is? So easy, you guys. Anyone can do this. Now here I have some ground beef. I cooked a total of 2 pounds of ground beef because I really wanted this nice and meaty. So I'm gonna pour half of this right on top of here. Now season it however you like. I normally use just a little bit of salt and pepper. It just seems easy, but you know what? I don't know. Do you have like a favorite go-to seasoning? Now we're gonna bring back in that ricotta mixture that we mixed that egg with, and we're gonna slap just some ricotta right on top of, actually, maybe I should just pour it out there. That's probably a little bit easier. And just the same thing, we're gonna use about half. So maybe you guys are kind of getting this idea here. So we're putting the half of ricotta, just slapping it right. Once again, it doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm gonna place just a little bit over in that corner. That looks great. Now check this out. I have some provolone cheese. I am putting a nice layer on top of that ricotta. Oof, when this goes together, it is just phenomenal, right? And it's just so easy. We're just placing it right on top. Just like that, we're already done. So we're gonna come back in with the rest of that sauce and pour more sauce on top. Now, if you like less sauce, I don't know, use less sauce. If you want more, I probably wouldn't suggest too much more because you don't want this drowning in sauce. We're gonna take the rest of that meat though. You bet your bottom. I wanted to say it, so screw it. I'm just going to say it. I'm going to put this meat all over top, you guys. This is what I'm talking about right here. We have an easy weekday dinner. Of course, the rest of that ricotta. Now, you want more ricotta, or do you use cottage cheese? I know a lot of recipes call for cottage cheese. I'm not, well, I shouldn't say I'm not. David's not really a big fan of cottage cheese, so that's actually why I went with the ricotta. But I really do love ricotta, and this one seems to be the popular one out there. You guys, if you're listening, do you have other good ricotta cheese out by you, or is this what you guys got too? This is what we have here. I like variety, but sometimes it's hard to find variety. Okay, we have one more layer of cheese that we need to put on there, of course, because we are layering it up for this delicious lasagna. We're gonna seal this all together with another layer of crescent dough. Oh, you see that? We're bringing it all together, baby. That's what I'm talking about right there. You can like just whip this together so quickly, and honestly, you can jazz it up if you want to. You could even make it just only vegetables if you want to. It can be like, it's so versatile. Okay, I'm gonna tuck it in. Once again, it doesn't have to be perfect. What matters is it tastes delicious, right? So that's what we're going for. Now I have some melted butter, which I am just, you know what, I'm just gonna kind of pour it just like so on top. That's easier, perfect. Ooh, that's hot. And then we'll just brush it right on top. I think this is going to be a new weekday throw together. Do you guys have a schedule when you eat? I don't, or when, not when you eat, but you know, what do you call, like a food schedule, like, oh, this is what we do Monday, Taco Tuesday. We definitely have tacos at least once a week, and we are gonna throw this lasagna in the mix. Okay, so I'm sprinkling it with some oregano leaves because I just feel like that seems like Italian to me. I don't know, what are you gonna put on it? And last but not least, I'm gonna come in with my knife, and I am making some little just marks right here on the top, just so when it gets hot, it can just, the dough can rise and it just looks nice and pretty. And there we go, just like that. Easy peasy, nice and cheesy.
Stay tuned for more dad jokes. All right, you guys, I'm gonna pop it in the oven at 350. It's gonna cook for about 35 minutes and stick around. This is gonna be delicious.
Holy moly. I think we just need to take a minute for this. Look at that golden brown crust. Ooh. And even though, look at that. Look at those layers in there with that lasagna. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to dig into this. Oh, the crescent dough just smells phenomenal. I am just gonna get right here in this corner. Oh, look at that cheese just coming out with the sauce. Wow, this looks amazing right here. Oh, David, you are going to love this. Let me see if I can just scoop this out. I'm gonna try to work my way. Look at all that cheese coming off my spatula. Oh my good Lord. Okay. Little hot pan here. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at that. Lasagna crescent dinner right here. Look at all those layers. Yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about right here. Holy cow, that looks amazing. Oh, technical difficulties over here. What's going on? Guys, I need some new kitchen utensils. This spatula's it's not working out for me. Okay, you know who's really gonna love this is you, babe, David. So come over here and give this a try. I can't wait for you to try it.
Woo.
What a fun way to change this up. I absolutely love this idea. Babe, come in here and give this a try. Here, I got you. Be careful, it is hot. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to dig into this. All of that ricotta cheese and that provolone cheese is just coming through. Loaded with ground beef, golden brown crust.
It's not easy being cheesy.
That was cheesy right there. All right, you guys, I hope you love this easy dinner. I think that this is enough to feed a crowd. I don't think it won't break the bank for the goodness that it delivers, right? And yeah, I don't know, maybe you're gonna add in some veggies, maybe some mushrooms, maybe some garlic. Tell me all the good stuff in the comments, you guys. We'll see you later. Enjoy.